the market there are the two types of ESP8266. As you can see, the size are the different. The first ESP has a ESP8266 Wi-Fi chip here, and CS340 USB to serial TTL converter, and another one the same ESP8266 module, Wi-Fi module, and with CP2102 USB serial to TTL converter and other things are the same like pins and other, but the size are the difference. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a access point with this Wi-Fi module, and we create a HTTP server where we can put the data, and for using the another ESP8266 we are reading that HTTP data into this ESP8266 module. So at this time there is the one module work as a server and another is work as a client. Whenever client requested data, then server puts the data to the client. In between these we are going to make a HTTP server. Then this server is push the data to HTTP server, and this client read the data from the HTTP server. So let's start. Hello guys, now we are going to on Google, and I already searched about how ESP8266 create a web server at access point. It means ESP8266 create its own hotspot, and if you connect this Wi-Fi network to your phone or PC, then you enter the ESP IP in your browser, then you can see the data from this data on that IP. So we are copy this Arduino code and paste into this, and I already save it name ESP8266 AP server, access point server, and now we are going to upload this code on the ESP8266. And first thing you know about ESP8266, we need two different types of driver. If you have a older one ESP8266, then you need a CS340 driver for uploading the code from PC to ESP8266, and the new one ESP are required another driver named CP2102. First we talk about the drivers, where you get driver one CH340 driver, download, and another one CP2102 driver. C-Labs is the official website for the CP2102 driver. Here you can download the driver. And after installing the driver, you restart your PC or close the old Arduino IDE if your software is open, or download this version and install in your PC. And here the CS340 driver, you can directly download from here. Both drivers are now running here. As you can see in this video, in the corner, now we have a two ESP8266, one with the CS340 IC and another one is the CP2102. If we connect the CS340 driver IC, then open device manager, and from here you can see the port. I have already installed this CS340 driver, so it shows 3 ESP340 and it's the connected fit for the COM4. If I disconnect this one and I connect the another one, driver, now you can see this my PC detect the Silicon Labs CP2102 driver, okay, and COM8. Now if you want to install these in your PC, then directly unzip these files and run the setup and install. And in tools you can get port, and if you does not find the node MCU one, then you go my previous video, and in that video I already explained how to ready to work on the ESP8266. Again I tell you in the preference, you copy this link here and this link into your Arduino IDE, and then OK, and then you go into board manager. Here you can download all the board manager files from it, and here you can type ESP, then you can see the ESP8266 by the ESP8266 community. After the installing this, you can see the same as you can see on this screen, ESP8266. You can see Node MCU 1.0 version, ESP12E module. And now you can see the different settings and parameters are there, and we are connecting the ESP8266 at COM8, as you can see in the device manager. And now we are trying to compile the sketch. This is the compiling. In this code you can see we have include the library ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, ESP Wi-Fi client, and the ESP8266 Web Server.h. In this code we are creating the SSID and the password for creating the hotspot via ESP8266 Now we can change the ESP8266 name here, SSID name here, called TECH. Okay, small one, TECH Technocrat, and the password remains same. And here is the server port where the HTTP's web servers are work. And in the handle root you can put the data when you connect your ESP8266. Here is the default name, hello from ESP8266. In setup you set up the serial print, and here is the Wi-Fi mode, Wi-Fi IP. We are this command only for for the access point. In the language we can say it's create a hotspot for us, and the Wi-Fi soft API it's create it's access the SSID and take the SSID and password from here. And when serial.print and the my IP, then it's print the its own ESP8266 IP on your serial monitor. The baud rate of serial monitor is 9600. And here is the server handle clients. It's handle all the clients connected from the AP networks. And then compile, and now we are going to upload this code. As you can see, the little LED is blink when is the starting the upload. You can see the LEDs are blinking now. As you can see, here is the progress of the uploading is 61%, 76, 84, 100%. And now this creates a Wi-Fi, and as you guys can see the Wi-Fi network from here, name Technocrat we are creating here. And as you can run the serial monitor and see what is the IP of the ESP8266. First reset, push the reset command on the ESP reset, and as you can see there is the IP 192.168.1.4.1. First you connect your device with Technocrat, and as you can see the password of this 128. You put the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and connect. When your device is connected, it says no internet, so the ESP8266 is not connected to internet. And here you put the IP 192.168.4.1, and here it is the response from the ESP8266. As you can see here, we print the hello from the ESP8266. If you change this hello from then you again upload this code. And as you can see here, again is connected to the another network. When it is complete, then you can see the network is here again, and you connect this again, and now you refresh your you can see the changes from here. And for the explain step by step, go to this website. Here is the nice explanation of the what we are doing now. Thanks to circuit4u.com for providing this stuff to make this easy. And we are going to include the free headers. ESP8266 is required for doing the Wi-Fi related functionalities such as the connecting the API and etc. Client.h is for and web server.h it's handle the HTTP protocol. As you can see here, the three libraries are included, and here we declared the constant character named SSID and the password. SSID, as you can set the SSID, you can see that network in your Wi-Fi list, and the credential password you can set from here. And here you can see the web server is on the port 80. You can use other ports also. Default HTTP ports is 80. So this HTTP protocols on web server is running on the port number is 80. So port number we are declared on this. Now the access point, you may find the ESP is visible at the hotspot. You can hide its AP essential using the command at the beginning of the setup. For using this command, we are creating the on hotspot. And here the Wi-Fi mode, both hotspot and client are enabled, and the Wi-Fi AP, the credentials of access points are applied from Wi-Fi soft SSID and password. Here the web servers are on, and you can see the data of handle route on this area. Here we are the print the hello from the ESP8266. So this is it. I know this is not the proper explanation of this stuff, how to create the actual SSID and how to handle clients. And another thing is that in circuits4u.com, here are the different examples for creating the HTML code to display your as what you want in display. In this screenshot you can see the Wi-Fi LEDs on demo. You can print like this. First we connect the network. This type of dashboard you can use for using the HTTP and CSS. Here are the three different examples for how to create simple page and a web page which refresh itself, and advanced website using the JavaScript and jQuery, and real-time update and graphics like this. Here is the code. In this you can see some persons are used include the header files like index.h. that index file is index.h. Here is the header file and include into your main program, so you can separate the HTML code and your Arduino C and C++ code to each other. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for the next upcoming videos. And all the links are given in the description. You can go to my description page. Thanks for watching this video. See you again.